Roblox's most realistic rat hunting simulator. The woods are beautiful, but something is wrong. Look at my beloved. The mold has made her ugly and rotten. No. I wish she was beautiful, like the rodents of the woods. She's not. I will and so I will cover her in the rodents of the woods. She's good looking. Right? Honey, you look great. Off I go. God is coming in 5 days. Odd trash can placement. But I am stapling rats, so I don't think that's the weirdest thing. Hi. You. Oh, I see one over there. I see you. What fun. Oh, I got the bitch. I'll check you out in a minute. Let me read this. Hunting tips. Rats are quite skittish and run wildly if they hear something they feel threatened by. If you want to keep loading as little as possible, rats are vocal creatures. You'll hear them squeaking, a fair amount, even before you see them use your ears. You can aim using right mouse, blah blah blah. Okay. Wait, if the shot will land, the range finder will appear. The rat finder. There's two of them. Hi. Oh yeah. They even glow purple. Ooh, another note. Rat fact. Rats eat all sorts of things, like onions, grapes, cinder blocks, and bowls of tar. Same. I hear you. Oh, I see you. Oh, yeah. No, because I might have the best aim ever. I might be the best rat shooter. I don't know if they have, like, Olympics for shooting rats, but I'm definitely, like, top 100. No, I'm top 10. Minimum. I see him. Gotcha, bitch. Yeah. What does this say? Barry's DVD store, and also his house. Look at that. 5 for 5. That's enough rats for today. Let's go home. Let's take the image for the rats in the corner. I could take it now. No, I have to have some self-control. Yeah! I don't need any more, but I want more. Honey, I'm home. Oh, you look so beautiful. You look so beautiful. Oh, wow. Oh, I love it, honey. Oh, you look great. I'm going to bed. Good morning. You see, you're still wearing the outfit I got you, huh? I must hunt the big rat. There's another dead one right here. Ooh, an XL rat. Okay. Okay, it's okay. Bam! Yeah. Yeah. Okay. How'd that miss? Damn it. What the fuck is that noise? Stop. Oh! Oh, get out. Okay. I've been stabbed by a ghoul rat. I need more bullets. I heard the noise again. No. No. Ghost rat. The ghost of the rats. The ghost of Christmas rat. Oh, I see him. Oh, I see him. He's a biggin. I see you. Bam. Oh, I need one more regular rat. Too bad I never miss. See? I swear to God. Okay. We're good. Is there a sprint button? There is. I found it. It's X. Why is it X? Surprised a big rat didn't take like 2 shots to take down, but like poison, grass, Dune. Oh, that's why one keeps dying every morning. God is coming. Oh, thank you, honey. Did I not put the big rat on you? You look great. Love that outfit. I'm ready for another day. Oh, I have a flashlight. Day 3. 2! Wow. Something was scratching at my window last night. I don't like that. I should investigate. I should. Not. I shouldn't do that. I don't want to. What the fuck was that? It was a rat. Oh, there's a. Oh, I haven't been out here yet. Oh. I'm gonna cry. I don't want Rat Stapler to be a horror game. There's gonna be a demon rat, and he's gonna. I don't know. What would a demon rat do? Nibble my cords evilly? I get into it. Oh, his DVD shop's open! Barry? That was his name, right? Yeah. Barry? Okay, Barry's been killed. It's okay, though. Because on the other hand, there's stuff in there. I hear you! Yeah, peek me. I missed. I missed again. Okay. 2 bullets, 2 rats, and then the big rat. Honey! More rats! Oh, wow. Just as beautiful as the day I met you. Covered in rats. This is day 3, I think. Something about 5 days, God is coming. Do I have to fight God Rat? Still 5 days. The paint doesn't change. Oh, another one died. Oh, I see you. Ah! Oh. Cheese! I found cheese number 4. Oh, is there cheese everywhere? Got him. I didn't think I'd hit that guy. Come on. Yeah, one right there. Oh, I'm the best. Right through the tree. Why do I hear... What the fuck is that noise? Do I hear a cow? It's a rat. Oh, shit. Back up. I feel like that would have been way scarier if he wasn't stuck in the wall. But I appreciate. It's because I stole his cheese, isn't it? I don't think I've read any of the notes like deep into the woods. Fun fact, despite popular beliefs, pineapple pizza was actually made by a rat knocking over a can of pineapple. I believe that. I can't see anything. Oh, yeah. Ah. No, chill. I'm a good guy. I'm a good guy. I'm chill. Yeah. Oh, is there... Did I shoot a rat over here and just not pick it up? I guess I did. Doing it without even thinking. I should head home. I swear to God, ghost rat. Ah! God, you have 0 redeeming qualities. I can't even pick you up because you're a ghost. Okay, this is like day 4 or something. I don't know. Honey, I'm gonna put more rats on you now. Beautiful. This is day 4 or 5? One of them. This is a day. Oh, wow. What do you mean God is coming today? That's not a... not something you just say. You can't do that. If I shine God with a light, like Foxy. Which one do you shine with a light? One of them. Balloon boys. Little rat, just slow down. It's okay. It's okay. Got him. I'm a professional rat shooter after all, so. Oh, another note. Oh. Can I walk through this wall? Can I walk through one of these walls? I don't think he can just stay behind me and then have nothing there. I'm a little bit spooked now. I'm on the edge of my seat. I'm on the edge of my office chair. Oh, big rats are right here. Yeah, it literally was like right here. Fuck off, God. Oh, you. Ah, I hate you. Okay, you know, I just need to chill out. I'm not gonna take another shot. Just need to chill out. Yeah, look at that. I'm collected. Calm, collected, and shooting large rats out in the forest to staple onto my mannequin wife. I don't know if I want God to come today, because I haven't found all the cheese. What? I'm gonna reload. I'm gonna fight God. I'm gonna 1v1 this bitch. Yeah, Barry will save me. Maybe Barry has a DVD for killing God. What have you done? I don't know what I did. Was I not supposed to staple them onto my wife? I'm gonna go do that. I must prepare to meet God. I just want to put my rats on my wife, man. Here's the plan. I'm going to stand right here. Aim this way. And then when God comes, I have this ammo pack right behind me. And I can just start blasting. Oh, no. What if I don't want him to? Oh. Can he not come? I have a gun. I have a revolver. A rat. It's so loud. Please. Dude. Please, I don't want him to come. I don't want this. No. I will blow. Where? Where is he? Where is God? Oh! Did I win? Is that it? I didn't find all the cheese. Oh, I didn't get all the cheese. Minus 100 because I missed the cheese. Oh, I gotta go get all the cheese now. Mean. Okay.